Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Nurul binti Hajizan. I want to explain about our group assignment for the statistic assignment. We need to find the data and we choose the data from statistic department in 2016. And the data for the data we choose the income household in Malaysia. We had choose 100 sample for the population in all Malaysian household, and the income we take the range for 1,000 to 8,000 only. And from the data we had arranged all the data, and my group member will explain more further about the data that we had arranged.
Hello, my name is Sadila binti Muhammad Isrash. This video I want to talk about table and the graph. We collect the data from the income household in Malaysia 2016. Income house we collect the 1,000 until 7,000 and have frequency 100. In the table, the highest household income in 2,000 until 299,000 and have frequency 35. And net and second highest is 4,000 until 499,000 and have frequency 30. And next, the household income is 3,000 and 399,000 and have frequency 21. And the very lower is income is 5,000 until 599,000 and only have 2 frequency. Okay, for the data and get in the table and the graph. For the table, you get in the data you get in the table, you can get the total frequency, cumulative frequency, relative frequency. And the graph, and for the graph you can get midpoint, lower boundary, up boundary. For the graph, we choose using the chata bar and the pie chart. For the chata bar, we can calculate the qualitative, and for the pie chart, we can calculate qualitative. For the qualitative, you can separate the housing, electricity, food, transport, shopping, rent and force. For the highest percentage at the qualitative is electricity, and the second is food, and the lower is the shopping. You can use the income and mine for this. For the shatter pie, you can look the percentage what want more than this. That's all. Thank you.
My name is Isma Aliba binti Abdul Khalid. Today I will present about measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency have three most commonly used for ungroup and group data. First, mean. Mean refer to average, and for the assignment, the mean household income it is RM 3789.50. Second, median. Median refer at middle. For the case, the median of household income it is RM 3618.55. 3. Mode. Mode refer to frequency of the most number. In this case, the higher income of household is RM 270.63. That's all. Thank you.
morning. Today I am going to explain about the measuring the variance. This table is consists of with class width, frequency, midpoint, x square, fx and fs square. The total fx is 378950 and total fs square is 1626621,025. And following this is the formula for the sample variance. These are the solution and the total sample variance is 1387.498. Thank you.
Quartile 1 is located at 1.75 position, therefore quarter 1 equal to 874.5. Q1 is, this means that 25% of the households buy less than 2 types of house consumption expedited and 75% buy more than 2 types of house consumption expedited in a week. The quarter 3 is located at 5th position, therefore quarter 3 equal to 2092.5. This means that 75% of the household buy less than 2 types of house consumption and 25% buy more than 2 types of house consumption expedited in a week. In the quarter range is quartile 3 minus quarter 1, 2092.5 minus 874.5 equal to 1215.
Hi everyone, I'm Siti Sulaimanti Nazali. My subject course is AFT 2103. My part is measure of variation for SPSS.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Azmi.
And I is Anwar Rizwan bin Aziz.
This is the result for the Pearson correlation for our data set.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Noraina binti Hamid. Today I want to make conclusion for our assignment. The conclusion, we have a lot of knowledge about the chapter and more interpret the data, mention the central tendencies is a mean, median and mode, measure and variation and standard deviation, mention position and group the graph. For the analysis data for the monthly household consumption expenditure for Malaysia 2060, we have got a mean RM 3789.50 and mean is bigger than the median and the median is bigger than the mode. The height of the monthly household consumption expenditure for Malaysia 2060 is RM 3789.50. Thank you.